you so much, Aimfill, and especially Hospital, Nargis ma'am, Smita ma'am, and all the crews who have helped me. So it's been an amazing journey for me throughout these 2 years. So I'm working right now. So I'm just here to collect the certificates. I really appreciate the hard work and the kind of working skills and the way the process they keeps here, and keep on doing it, and really appreciate you, Nargis ma'am, for all the helps you have given me. All the very best.
And what about your journey? Like how you started, which airport you're working in?
Yeah, so I was with Air SATS, so there was a customer service agent. So right now I'm with Indigo as customer service. I was officer. Right now I got promotion as executive, and really thank you for all the helps that you guys have been provided me, and thank you so much.